the 2-in-1 anti-snoring and air purifier, aka the snappily titled Silicone Anti-Snore Nasal Dilators Apnea Aid Device Stop Snoring Nose Clip. This is a product that has been generating a fair amount of attention due to its similarity to the AirRing, a micro CPAP device that attracted nearly $2 million worth of backing on Indiegogo. It's time to stop sleepless nights and dysfunctional days, claims the box, something the vast majority of us, I'm sure, would like. The leaflet promises it's easy to wear, it's soft and comfortable, and gives back to you a good night's sleep. But worryingly, it also infers this is suitable for sleep apnea sufferers and in some way delivers continuous positive airway pressure.